There are 7,000 or so other rare diseases with 300 million people impacted around the world.
A lot of them have no hope of better treatment. And despite the advance in medical research, only a small fraction of them have treatment. It's very challenging to convince sponsor or funding agency or stakeholders that it is important to fund research on rare disease.
When Natalie was diagnosed with cystinosis, we were devastated. It was unexpected. She was born healthy, good weight, just kind of the normal baby, and she became sick within hours of us having her home. She was diagnosed shortly thereafter with cystinosis. On the eve of Natalie's 12th birthday, I said, "What's your wish for your birthday?" And so she reluctantly reached in her pocket, gave me this little napkin, and she had written in the crayon to have my disease go away forever. And when Jeff got home that night, I said, "We better do something. Time is running out, and let's do something to at least start some kind of research for cystinosis."
So we had a very clear motive in terms of starting the foundation. One was to find a cure for the disease, but secondly, to also find better treatments for the people suffering of cystinosis.
And because Jeff and Nancy knew me, they took this big risk of funding my first project. I wanted to develop a new gene therapy approach. The gene therapy treatment have the advantage of bringing the new gene that is functional into all the tissues of the patient. And we believe that this would have an impact that is more long-term.
The Gene Therapy Initiative at UC San Diego is one of the most exciting things happening in the world of medicine, because we've already seen what happens with the gene therapy for our rare disease. We were told that she would not live past high school.
Somebody who's donated a substantial amount of money to us came up and he said, "You weren't even sure she was going to be living till she was a teenager. Now she's gotten married. Look what you've accomplished." All of this, we couldn't have done it without a team of people. We've been very lucky. We've been very lucky.
From a more global perspective, I think we are joining a momentum where the gene therapy is making several strides on conditions that have no cure in the past, and now offers an opportunity and hope for people suffering from these conditions.
The impact of the Stack family gift on UC San Diego is transformative. UC San Diego is an institution to launching this gene therapy initiative that will have a huge impact on multiple numbers of patients based on their gift and what the Gene Therapy Initiative is capable of doing. Outstanding faculty, outstanding institution, local partners, and the biotech community. Those four things together can take something from an idea to core basic research, to application research, to commercializing it, and broadly applying that to people who really need the therapy.
My hopes would be that the Gene Therapy Initiative becomes a hugely successful collaborative event with a number of scientists, not just here at UC San Diego, but throughout the world. The Gene Therapy Initiative forms essentially the catalyst for this to happen.
And it's so humbling because I know what it feels like to be a parent who wants their child to live a long and healthy life. So that's been one of the greatest gifts of helping to start the Gene Therapy Initiative, is the response from these other families who are just looking for a thread of hope.